Esmé Bianco and Marilyn Manson have reached a settlement nearly 2 years after she filed a sexual assault lawsuit against the musician and his company. Ms. Bianco has agreed to resolve her claims against Brian Warner and Marilyn Manson Records Incorporated, Manson's real name Brian Warner, attorney Howard King and Bianco's attorney J.D. Ellwanger said in separate statements. Ellwanger added that the decision was made in order for Esmé to move on with her life and career. No details regarding the settlement have been shared. Previous judge denies Marilyn Manson's motion to dismiss Esmé Bianco's sexual assault lawsuit. Bianco, who played Rose in the first 3 seasons of HBO's Game of Thrones, sued Manson in April 2021, detailing allegations of rape and verbal and physical abuse dating back to 2007. The actress' initial complaint revealed that she suffered due to the deterioration of her mental health caused by Mr. Warner and that she deals with complex post-traumatic stress disorder, anxiety, depression, and panic attacks to this day as a result. In the lawsuit, filed in federal court in Los Angeles, Bianco said Manson violated human trafficking law by bringing her to California from England in 2009 and 2011 under the false pretenses of roles in music videos and movies that never materialized. The suit alleged Manson deprived Bianco of food and sleep, gave her alcohol and drugs, locked her in a bedroom, whipped her, cut her, gave her electric shocks, tried to force her to have sex with another woman and threatened to enter her room and rape her during the night. Manson's lawyers submitted a motion to dismiss in July 2021, stating that Bianco's allegations of sexual assault were time-barred by more than 7 years under California's statute of limitations. In October 2021, federal judge Fernando L. Enel Rocha denied Manson's motion for dismissal. "My hope is that this ruling empowers other survivors to pursue justice for themselves while signaling to abusers that they cannot bully victims into silence," Bianco said in a press release at the time. A Tuesday court filing says a request for dismissal, which remains subject to a judge's approval, will be filed in the next 45 days. Details of the terms were not released. Phoenix Rising, Evan Rachel Wood alleges Marilyn Manson made her drink his blood in HBO doc. Marilyn Manson sues Evan Rachel Wood for defamation, fraud. Amid sex abuse allegations, Bianco first spoke out against Manson in February 2021, joining others who have alleged abuse. Westworld actress Evan Rachel Wood claimed Manson horrifically abused her for years and later detailed the alleged abuse in her HBO documentary Phoenix Rising, which hit the streaming service in March. Manson's former assistant Ashley Walters alleged Manson used his position of power, celebrity and connections to exploit and victimize her during her employment from August 2010 to October 2011. Walters filed a complaint in May 2021 with details accusing Manson of treating her like his property, adding that he repeatedly offered Walters up to his influential industry friends and associates, giving his friends permission to grope, kiss and have her. Los Angeles Superior Court Judge Michael L. Stern dismissed Walters' entire action a year later. Stern said Walters had too few facts and pleaded too late, according to reports from CBS News and Deadline. In September, the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department handed over a 19-month criminal investigation of women's sexual abuse allegations against Manson. But prosecutors said more evidence needed to be gathered before they could decide whether he should be charged. Manson is also suing Wood, alleging his former fiancée conspired with a friend to use false allegations and pretenses to get other women to come forward about him. In a court declaration, Wood said she had never pressured anyone to make false allegations against Manson. Authorities searched Marilyn Manson's home amid allegations of physical sexual abuse. Contributing, Andrew Dalton, The Associated Press.